Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday, it's fun day, it's hubby and I day. See what I did there? So yeah, so if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm semi gonna do something kind of simple. I know I say that and then it doesn't really end up being that way, but you know what? That is the hope. That is the hope for this look. Yes, that is the hope. So I'm gonna use this palette. This is actually from Natasha Denona. It's the holiday palette, and we're gonna go into this shade right here. This one. And I'm gonna put it like right here. I'm gonna try to keep it like kind of blended. I don't want it to be too. What brush is this? This is a T4 from Makeup Shack. I don't want it when it blows up. I want it to be very light. So, and then just like deepen up the crease like right here a little bit. And just use this to just blend this out nicely. No, this is all I want here. This is the M518. I want some black, just a little bit. I'm gonna use this Pat McGrath. This is called Dark Matter, and it's just a single shadow. It's like as black as it gets. And this I'm gonna keep low, like really, really low. I just want a little, just a little bit. Oops. So this got way higher than I wanted it to. This is a clean brush because I don't want it. Ooh. So this one definitely higher than I wanted it to. Ugh. I did not want it to go so high. Black can be so intimidating. So intimidating. So this. No, we need a little bit of glitter glue from NYX. Just a little bit. Put it on my tip of my finger and then just go. Then clean this brush up a little bit, and then in that palette I'm gonna go into that blue shimmer. Just this shade right here, and then we're gonna put that in the inner corner. Right. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it, man. I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man. They feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the door. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talk about the numbers, then I probably go to Brian. I'm a lion out the jungle. Okay. Now I'm almost like want to blend this out a little bit. So this is an M507, and I'm gonna go into the orange that I have up here.
And I'm gonna put this right here. Like where that blue and that black meets.
Full of G's back when Lord saw me how to stun it. Pops was slinging, yeah, yo, he was getting to the bucks, but I ain't had 50 cents. Now
I'm just gonna blend this out nicely.
I leave them cut. Ask about me in my city, motherfuckers know what's up, but some of these days I get too stuck in my ways. Blame it how I was raised, so she get it this way.
And then a little more black, just a smidge, because this black is going everywhere.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hidden lakes, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the
okay, perfect. So that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, we're back, and time to talk about this foundation. So let's take a look. So this is the Perricone MD No Makeup Foundation Serum. Yeah, I don't know. Ooh. I don't have a primer. Let's put some primer on real quick. Oh, right here. Let's do... This is my Hydro Grip from Milk. So I build my head right here. Whenever I try to curl my hair, something bad is wrong. That's why when I do wigs, I do it off my head. Ain't nobody have time for that. I love this cup from Stanley. Stanley to sponsor me some cups. Ooh, so this shade is 10, man. This is a good shade match. I was kind of worried about it. Ooh. So it's very watery. Very watery. But that's normal for like serum foundation. Okay, maybe I went a little bit heavy. And this is my Flawless brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I don't expect to get like any kind of crazy coverage because this is, as they said, it's a serum foundation, so most likely the coverage is gonna be less to nothing. It's kind of hard, like when you know, because usually when any foundation is like serum-ish, it's usually kind of more liquidy. Not liquidy, sorry, more dewy. So the fact that they said it was, but they also didn't say it was matte. They said it's semi-matte, but for me, semi-matte, it's pretty close to matte. I don't expect any kind of glow, but not. Oh, by the way, that's my shape tip from Tarte. But whenever I hear anything that says serum, just expect it to be dewy. Dewy. This is Terracotta from ABH, and I'm gonna put it on my E5 brush from Morphe, a brush that they don't carry anymore, which is not the business, like I know. You know, I hate to like use products that I know you guys can't get, but I have like 10 of these brushes and they're so good. Like, it's quite frustrating that they discontinued this brush, you know. It is annoying. Because when I have something that works great, like I want you guys to experience the greatness. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can maybe get other brushes, but these are like so good. So good. Maybe so it's like a fan brush, but it's thick. But when I'm doing my face, I can just start here and then just curve it up like this, and then just go up, you know? It just makes it easier. But as I said, I don't know, Morphe is going for some hard time, so I'll give them that for now. But it's not just Morphe, you know, another company that discontinues like stuff I think that's like really good, MAC, which is why I don't really get a lot of stuff from MAC anymore, because I'm just like, why did they discontinue this? I like this, you know. You get into the corner of that nose.
I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting lakes, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back about 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace.
Being like real careful here because I don't want it to mess up my eye look or my liner. Like so. It's so pretty. And you can just ignore this because I can just take this brush and then just see? Perfect. Perfect. And then let's do the same thing here. This is Lily Love from Juvia's Place. These blushes do not come to play. Like they are like that's all I can say. And this is from Real Techniques. It's a slick Samanic brush. Which one is that? Expert face brush? That's all it is. Just stamp it. This is a lot. I didn't even put that much. Actually, maybe I did. Too much. Just trying to blend my concealer right here. I think, yep. Then I'm gonna use this with what powder? My Huda Beauty Blondie powder. Nice scotch. Ooh. So I missed a step. Usually I put my Charlotte Tilbury powder first, but it is fine. And now I'm gonna go into my Charlotte Tilbury powder and set the rest of my face. Yeah, I don't sing. Not sure where this. Not sure where this came from. I'm trying to figure out what to put like in my inner corner. I love these tanks. I get them from Reformation. They're like amazing. This is from KVD and it's a brown liner, which I like. What is that blush? What is that blush? Oh, right here. This is like my favorite brush. Not like, it is my favorite brush to do under my water, in my waterline. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go to that orange. No, I think I want that black first, and then, but I'm gonna do so little of the black and then blend it out with the orange. Just like teens. Oops. There's no mirror in there. If we grind it, then we grind it, man. I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man. They feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the dog. Yep. That's enough. Because I don't want it to be crazy black. And now we're gonna go in with a little bit of that orange, which I have up here, and just blend it.
homies, bitch, I feel like John Stockton. Every week I stay dropping, bitch, I stay consistent in. Heard the blind lead the blind, but I got the vision in. Know the street deficient in. Needed my assistant ends.
I'm gonna bring down that blue.
Look, I ain't turning down to nothing. Bitch, hit me the crown or something. Unit full of G's back when Lord Base told me how to stun it. Pops was slinging, yeah, yo, he was getting to the
Who's out? Now, let's go in with our bronzer. I'm gonna use, this is so big. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This bronzer, if you have it, it's gonna last you like all life. I'm exaggerating, but it's gonna last you for a long time. So I'm gonna use this Even Tail 72 brush from Sephora, and then I'm gonna just like tap this like right here, perimeter of my face. Just bring this to the center, you know, make my chin look smaller. No, actually, I love my chin as this. There's nothing wrong with my chin. But this is pretty. This is Corvette from Makeup Geek. It looks like so. This, I remember it being so pigmented, and this is, nothing has changed. This is the Tribe highlighter from Juvia's place. I think this is number 2. I've been using this for all my videos. This is from Makeup Forever, and it is the Artiste Color Pencil, and this is Limitless Brown. Oh, let's use this little mini lipstick. This is, I don't know, but it's from Pat McGrath. Like, there's a packet of it. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. Like, I had fun. The little look is kind of, you know, not too crazy, but I'm just going to the movies with my husband. Well, it's like a movie eatery place, so we get to have dinner and watch a movie. So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back by 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my niggas, we in the